was that? Want to go through it again? Okay, try it. Hey, go through it across. Go through it perpendicular. That was awesome. Did you like that? Want to try it again? Are you sure?
I almost got stuck.
Yeah, you got to keep your momentum up for sure.